Okay, many people want to speak English, but when they start to speak English, they stuck. So what's the problem behind it? I think people have lot of vocabulary words, but they have not enough confidence to speak English. Today I will talk about how to speak English fluently and confidently. So here are some keywords and some important criteria you must be followed to speak Many English people says that you have to read newspaper in English and you have to read English stories, you have to watch English movies, but says that not work. Speak English fluently is the all about your confidence and your work you have done on your English. So I have a one method. You have been listened about direct method. In direct method, we have to speak English directly. We have to take conversation in English directly someone like your friend. But some people says that we have not friend that can speak English. So some people have their social media apps and different platforms used by people like Duolingo and other platform in which people are sitting in groups to speak English fluently. But I says the best option is your mobile phone. Think your mobile phone is your friend and you have to speak English with your friend. So direct method is all about start to speak English. You have not enough vocabulary, just start. You have not enough good sentence structure and not I think experience in speaking English, but just start. When you start speak English uh, with the passage of time, you have get enough experience that you can speak English fluently and in a good way. And there are some social apps that I have been suggest you that you use to improve your English in speaking. So first of all is Gemini. Gemini have a version that take conversation with you and it can also reply you what you said, what you says him, and it can also help you to improve your English structure and as well as what you says him. He also can help you to improve all of your mistakes of you. The second number is ChatGPT. Also like Gemini, ChatGPT is also a good application that help you to improve your English and also help you to improve your fluency and you have watched lot of videos at YouTube to improve your English, but no one says about direct method. In direct method, you directly start speak English. Okay, so I have give you two apps, suggest you two apps that like Gemini and ChatGPT. Listen, I am also not good in English, but I am start practice with my mobile phone. So it is a good way to start record yourself and listen after recording and give feedback to you and improve your mistakes where you are not fluent and where is you taking mistakes. So recording you is a good option. So all about English. English is just a language. When you start to learn a new language, you have to start speak it directly. You know it's all about 5,000 or 1,000 words. There are enough, but you are not use them in their sentence or not uses them in your daily life. It is useless. So the best way is learn English is have to start speak English directly. So it's all about my side, it's all about my video. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and